Today I've got a color comparison coming your way, a brunette color comparison. I have the great pleasure of getting to show you Envy Medium Brown and Envy Macchiato and comparing the two colors together on this gorgeous Gia and Gia Mono style. This isn't about this wig though, it's about this color and this color. So let's go. To thank both Envy and Chiquel for making this video possible. They got me these styles so that I could do this video, and I am so happy to be able to show you guys these two colors. If you are here because you saw the thumbnail and are curious about this gorgeous style, I have a video a separate video designated to reviewing because these are two different styles. One has a full mono top, a lace front, the other one's a basic cap. They're the exact same style. One is basic cap and more affordable. One has all these cap features and is a bit higher end price. If you want to see that video, it's linked in the description box. If you like styles like this, you must go watch that video. I cannot recommend this wig more. She is absolutely incredible and I would love for you to learn about her. So go watch that video if you want to learn about this style. But if you're curious about medium brown and macchiato, then stick around for this video because I'm going to cover both. Chiquel is an online retailer that also has some in-person wig shops. Love them. Love that they carry all the major name brands. Love that they have huge sales, an open box clearance section. They do a live every week so that you can see wigs, tons of wigs, like a couple of hours worth of wigs on Amanda's head, and they're very deeply discounted, and they also do giveaways. So lots going on over at Chiquel. You definitely want to go check them out. I have a link to these wigs and a coupon code that will save you some money. So let me know if you have questions, but definitely go check them out. Let's talk about these colors. So I have on my head Macchiato on Gia Mono. The actual wig doesn't really matter because these colors would be the same from piece to piece. So what we have with Macchiato is a blend of chestnut brown and soft dark blonde. Don't let that fool you. This doesn't look like blonde, with dark brown roots. So it does have a root. And it's a really beautiful blend, which gives this sort of a medium sort of chestnut color. So even though it says it has blonde highlights, this is not a heavily highlighted piece. That's blended. Whereas medium brown, which is actually one of my favorite brunettes, and actually this one is now going to be one of my favorites too because they're so close. The medium brown is just, the way they've described it, is medium brown with natural highlights. Medium brown is not rooted. So where you see a little bit of a darker root here, you don't see that on medium brown. To the naked eye, I can barely tell the difference between these colors. In some lighting, depending on how hard I look at it, the macchiato looks slightly lighter, super slight. They are both very well blended. They're dimensional while being blended. So we do have pops of dimension here and there, not significant highlights, just slight pops of dimension here and there. But overall, it's very, very well blended. I'll throw on the medium brown. So I had macchiato on. This one's medium brown. I would also say, and maybe this is why I can't really tell a significant difference. So I had said, if I really study it in some lighting, the macchiato to the naked eye looks a slight tiny bit lighter than the medium brown. The thing is, macchiato's rooted and medium brown isn't. So it's almost like that rooting negates that slight light difference in lightness. They are so incredibly similar. I really, truly think you could get either one. And so if you're looking at an Envy style, Macchiato is a pretty new color. Medium brown has been around forever. So if you're looking at a style and it doesn't come in Macchiato, you can get medium brown. You will be fine with medium brown if you like Macchiato. If you absolutely need that darker root, which is, again, so subtle, then obviously you're going to want, the medium brown doesn't have that, but it's not significant. I'll show you these colors outside, but generally these to me are just like your, just medium brown is the best description. It's not a dark brown, it's not light, it's not blonde, it's not red, it's not auburn. Even though it is leaning slightly warm, I'd say both of these are leaning slightly warm versus a cool brunette can look a little grayish in some lighting, a little ashy, a little gray. A really warm brunette can look auburn and red. I don't think this is either really. I think it's pretty neutral. But if it leans anywhere, it leans slightly warm. Well blended, no like heavy highlights that are gonna cause people to ask you where you get your hair colored. That's can be a risk with wigs. People often wanna know because they're so fun. These are just like basic in the best way. All right, let's take a look at it outside. Let me know if you have questions, but to me, these are virtually interchangeable and they're beautiful. Great brunettes. So let me know if you have questions. And again, don't forget about Chiquel. And also don't forget to check out my review of Gia Mano, which is this one, and the Basic Cap Gia, which is this one, if you love styles like this. See you guys soon. All right, we have got a sunny day, which makes this a little bit more challenging, but we'll make do. So on my head is medium brown. In my hand is Macchiato. Like I said, Macchiato could give a slightly lighter view. The color might look slightly lighter, but I really don't think it's significant. And if anything, that root negates it. Now, what you might be noticing, it's very hard to do this, is if you're thinking it leans a little reddish, it's only because of the sunlight. Direct sun is going to warm up most colors. It's really not giving any red though. And that wind is freezing. Oh my goodness. So again, oh, and then there's snow blowing off the tree. Again, this one is medium brown. And this one is Macchiato. Hope that helped. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.